So I've got zero idea why people think it's extremely complicated, difficult, and you need a lot of coding, technical skills, and all that bullshit if you want to build out voice AI agents or text based AI agents, which you can deploy and automate processes such as managing leads or handling appointments and everything. And at the same time, build out these agents and sell it to other businesses as well. Because I was like literally about to go and create like a voice AI agent and a text based conversational AI agent and sell it to like local boomer businesses, to people who are like 30, 40 years old, because they absolutely do not understand this shit and they think like you have to be an Einstein or something to actually build it out. So I was about to go and build it so that we can sell it to local businesses like med spas, towing companies, and everything. So I just thought to like document the process, show you how easy it actually is, so that you can maybe build it for your own business or you can build it for other businesses and sell it as well. So the software we're going to be using for this is something known as Go High Level, which is, in my opinion, one of the best business softwares ever to exist. It's not my software, it's just the thing which I use. And the best thing is, you can remove this logo, you can remove this Go High Level domain, and you can like rebrand it as your own. So I'll just show you what it looks like. So for example, over here, this is my white label version of Go High Level. So you can see it's my domain and my logo over there. So you can like completely customize it and do it so that when you actually show it to your clients, you can be like, yeah, this is my software. And if you try to do this and sell it to like online business owners, like marketers, agency owners, a lot of them know it, but a lot of business owners, they don't know it. So yeah, you can just be like, yeah, this is my own fucking software. So once you've created your account, like you can try it out for free. Link in the description. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you probably are. Just go to the link in the description, start your free trial. It's my affiliate link for full disclosure. But if you sign up with it, I'll help you set all of this shit up for free, along with help you get clients using the same, because Go High Level actually pays me if you use their product or your software. You don't have to like commit or anything. So yeah, once you've logged in to Go High Level, you come over to settings at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you simply go over to phone numbers. Now the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna simply like buy a phone number so that we can actually like deploy the voice AI agent. Because if you don't have like a phone number, how can the voice AI agent be deployed? Anyways, so we click on this add number over here and we click on add phone number. After that, you can choose like any country. So I'm just gonna go ahead with United States. So yeah, you can choose like literally any country. It does not matter if it's like the US or it's like UK. Like just choose any country where your clients are going to be based out of. So like let's say we're selling it to the UK. I sold a lot of med spas in the UK. This exact thing, and yeah, that's where I use like a UK number. But for that, you kind of need like something is required. There's something known as address requirement. So you have to submit that, like someone in the UK, or like just don't get it complicated. Just use like US if you're unaware, because yeah, US works everywhere. After that, click on filter and like uncheck local. We want a toll free number, because if you have a local number, there are a lot of legislations, like you have to get it like verified and all of that shit, which is just not fun to manage. Yep. So once you've done that, you can simply come over here and choose any one of these numbers. It's very affordable, like $2.15. I'll just say choose a number which starts with like 844 or 833, something like that. These 888 numbers, they just appear a bit spammy, just based on what I've noticed. Yeah. After that, click on proceed to buy, and once you bought it, you should be pretty much good to go. And yep. Oh yeah. So yeah, now we have bought the number. We can verify this as well, but I don't think so. You actually need to verify it if you just want to use it for like receiving calls and maybe calling people. If you want to like send SMS using this, you have to get it verified. But yeah, if you want to just use it for like calling and stuff, it's like fine and all. So yeah, I won't even like bother to verify this number. After that, we simply go ahead and we build out the agents. So we come over here where it says like voice AI agents. We come here and we build it out. So what I'm gonna do is, because we're gonna be selling to like med spas, I'm just gonna choose like any random med spa and I'll just build it out for them, and then I'll create like a demo, a Loom video, a 2 to 5 minute video, which I will send out to all the other med spas so that they can see how it looks like. So I'll just go out and be like, yeah, med spa in Miami. Lux Med Spa. This looks like a pretty big one. Let's just see. Let's go to the website. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, this is a nice med spa. Yeah. So I just go out and like open up the exact business I want to build this out for. So yeah, I'm probably assuming if you're selling it to local businesses, they'll be available on Google Maps. So yeah, you can just go to Google Maps, open the exact business with for whom you're going to be building out this thing, and I'll just open their website. And if you don't have a client, just choose any top mid or any top local business so that you can be like, yeah, I built this out for them. So you're not saying like they're a client of yours, you're not lying or something, but the guy I partnered up with, he is new to this, so he wants like, we don't have a client yet, that guy. So he basically bought stuff from me. He's like, bro, can you help me set up outbound systems? And I'm like, yeah, sure, whatever. And yeah, so he does not have a client, so we're just going to be building out a demo. We're not saying they are a client of us, but yeah, after that, once you're here on the voice AI agents, just click on create agent. It's literally as simple as that. And yeah, over here, you have to like enter some details. So you can just enter like the name. I'll just put it as like the name of the business. So Lex Med Spa Miami. Boom. Boom. Business name. I'll just name it as Lex Med Spa. Boom. You can choose like languages as well. So if like I'm building out this agent for someone in like Brazil, I'll probably choose Portuguese. Like I don't know if they speak Spanish or Portuguese over there. So yeah, whatever the languages, just choose that. We have German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Brazil, Italian, Dutch, like all these different ones. And yeah, if I'm sending it to people in like let's say the UK or someone in the US, they probably will be speaking English. Yep. After that, there are so many different voices and you can choose. So I'll just choose like, and like just you can play it out and just see which one you like.
When we seek to discover the best in others, we somehow bring out the best in ourselves.
Shut up.
The greatest part of our happiness depends on our dispositions, not our circumstances.
No.
The eye sees only what the mind is prepared to comprehend.
So I'll just pause the video, like play out all these sounds, see which one I like, and then I'll choose one. You can just select the voice, click on play, and you can hear it out. So I just like this one, because the quote she said I actually liked it. Yep, I'll just play it
Before
out.
you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Yep, always something to have to smile for. And yeah, after that, you can select like the time zone as well. So I'll just do it like America, whatever time zone it is. I'm not sure which time zone Miami comes in. Miami time zone. EDT. EDT. Yep. So it comes under the EDT time zone. I'll do that. Yeah. Outbound calling is not yet supported, but it's coming soon. And inbound calling is there. So basically what we're doing like outbound calling is you tell the AI agent that yeah, you call these 100 businesses, you speak to them. Inbound calling is simply that when someone calls you, the AI agent picks up the call. And someone might be like, yo, this is not very valuable. And based on like statistics, like US businesses, they miss like 60% of the calls they receive. So if they're getting like 10 calls a day, they're missing like 6 of them. And every, like what happens when someone calls a business and they don't pick up? They just simply go over to the next business. And it's generally a pretty big problem. So this will take care of that and allow them to get like a couple extra meetings. And if you sell it for like $300-$500 a month, they can easily be making like $5,000 or maybe like $2,000 to $5,000 back. So the ROI is pretty freaking dope for them. And yeah, after that, you can select like what's the initial message which the person says. And yep. So I'll just ask like, what's the first thing which they say? I'm Emily Lux Med Spa. How can I help you? So basically you write it out like what exactly is the first thing the agent is going to say when the call is picked up. So like let's say I call this number, it will be like, hey, I'm Emily from Lux Med Spa, how can I help you, whatever. Can I leave this blank? Let's see. No. Oh yep, let's just go ahead with it. Boom boom boom. So yeah, after that we can define like the goals of the agent. So can I go back once? I wanted to see. Yeah, we can go back and I'll come over to advanced settings and we can do like some more advanced stuff, like how long can the call be, the maximum duration of the call. So you can set it, so maximum it can be 15 minutes. I'll just set it to like 5. After that, we can like response speed, so how fast the person should respond. So I'll just set it to like fast, because what happens with AI agents is when you call them up, then like that's the problem it happens. So you call them up, and how do I explain it, bro? You call them up, you say hi, and then they wait for like 1 to 2 seconds, and then they respond back. And it's pretty evident that, yeah, it's like an AI agent. So I just selected to fast, because, yeah, it's pretty dope. And it, like idle time and response, so blah, you can just do this. Like, what exactly is this? Like, this is a new feature. Yeah. So basically, like from what I understand, is it's like, let's say the person has not spoken for like 8 seconds, like then it will remind them or not. So yeah, I'll just click on confirm, and pretty much sorted. Now we can move on to the next step. Woo! Save my friendo. Save my friendo. Why is it stuck on loading? Guys, that's why you don't travel. Thai internet down. Damn. I'll just pause the video, let it load on confirm. Yeah, done. I didn't have to pause. Next, yeah, after that, you can select like what are information you want to collect from the person. So what the agent will actually do is it can like collect information from the person, like what's his name, email, phone number, contact, everything, and other details as well if you want to. And then it can like, yeah, basically book appointments as well. So I just want it to collect the name, the email maybe, or yeah, I think like the name and email is pretty much it. I think the name and email. I think, yeah, that is enough. What the fuck do they need with like other shit? Huh. Receive email notification. Yeah. After this, like what you can do is after every single call, you can get like a notification of a call being received and what basically happened on the call. So you get like a summary, you can get the exact transcript, like the word by word, like exactly what the person said. You can get that as well. You can trigger like workflows. So let's say like someone sent an SMS, and I just like select the switch to advanced mode, because yeah, I just like having more control and shit over here. So your agent, you are Emily. Oh, receptionist. Like you're just basically describing what you wanted to do. Knox, Mitzvah, Miami. Yeah. After that, you enter like the goal of it. You will be taking care inbound calls. The Mitzvah receives. You will greet the caller warmly. Ask how you can help them and answer their queries based on the data provided. Yeah. And what else? You can like answer the queries based on the data provided. Boom. And at the end, if they try to book an appointment with them based on availability, but don't be pushy. Yeah. No, 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 no. Wish the caller a pleasant day. So this is mostly built for customer support type of queries and everything, but that's not what we really want. So some changes need to be made to the prompt and chat. And actually, I'll just give it some more information about the website. So I'll try to use. Bro, I think I have an idea. So this is not yet supported, so I'll just click on save and I'll make changes on this later. Actually, I'll just open it up in a new window. When you use the conversation AI, Go 11 can actually scrape the entire website and get all the data from the website. So that's why it's great. So I'll just open like I'll come over to conversation AI. I'll also create like a new AI agent. So yeah, I have to create like a conversation AI as well. And what this will do is it'll just take care of all the queries they receive on like Instagram, SMS, WhatsApp, like Facebook DMs, everything. Mm, do I want an appointment booking bot or what? Yeah, I think appointment booking bot will be nice. So like you just give it a name, I'll just call it Lux MedSpa autopilot, which means that like the bot will automatically reply to them. Which all channels the bot should reply on? So Instagram, Facebook, chat widget which you can add to the website, live chat, WhatsApp as well. Yeah, you can manage like information go all these different places. And I'll just you might be thinking like why did I stop building out the voice AI agent midway and go into this conversation AI agent? And like it will make sense in the end. So how much should it wait before responding? Just leave it to 2 seconds. Maximum messages a bot can send to a customer, I'll just leave it at 10. And yeah. So what this can do is like let's say I send a message to someone manually, it will like turn off the bot. So this is what you want. I'll turn it off for like 2 days. So 2 days will be 48 hours. Yeah. What will happen like let's say someone is engaging with the bot and I send out like a message to them. Then it will stop it. So I'll just click on save. Boom. And after that we come over to bot training. And yeah. So where it says like select knowledge base. Oh, Lux Med Spa. So basically over here we like give it a knowledge base where we give it like all the different things it actually needs in order to understand the business and everything so that it can answer queries like appropriately. So over here we have this thing known as web crawler under the knowledge base, and over here you can see like we can like literally just paste the URL of the website and boom, we paste it, we click on get data, and then it will like provide us all the different things related to the website. We can also add frequently asked questions. So if you know like people ask a lot of questions, FAQs, whatever, you can add them. If you have like a PDF or a document which has like more information related to your business which you want to include, you can like upload that as well. But I don't think so it's live yet in Go High Level. So that's coming soon. So you can do that. So yeah, over here you can see you can click on this button I think, and you get like all the different information which is available on the website. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it to the voice AI agent as well so that it has more data about the business. So I'll go on back. That's exactly what I wanted to do. I am pasting all the information present on the website of the business below. Use it to answer queries wherever applicable with the end goal of booking an appointment. Boom. Oh, word limit exceeded. Shit, I pasted like a lot of data. Okay, I can paste it like I'll just give it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make it a less than 1600 words. So ChatGPT, I'm building like a voice AI agent inside of Go High Level for MedSpace, and like the amount of words we can enter, I can enter only 1600 more words in the voice AI agent description, and I wanted to like add all the details which I scraped from the website of the business, and it has like around 2400 or 2500 words. So what I want you to do is summarize all the information. Like I'll give you like around 2500 words, and just summarize everything without missing any key details, and just bring it to less than like 1600 words. Do not make it like very concise that the AI agent does not have enough context or data to actually like answer everything. But yeah, just keep it under like how many words? Just keep it under like 1600 words or something. And all the key pieces of information should be there, they should be present, so that when we give it to the AI, it's immaculate and perfect and it works flawlessly. Just do this for me, please. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll just give it to ChatGPT now. Now I'll paste the data as well, and I'll select like the better reasoning model. I think O3 is still the best one, which in terms of like reasoning. So I'll just give it to that. So now it will reason and give me the final output. And yeah, I'll just maybe pause the video till then, because I'm sure you don't want to. No. I think yeah, it's actually there. No, it's there, so it's already done. So I don't need to pause the video. So it gave me like 1300 words. I'll ask it to make it 1600 words, because the more the better. AI is perfect if you give it the perfect data. Like if you ask ChatGPT to personalize cold emails at scale, it won't do it. But if you give it like a big enough prompt, a good enough prompt, I promise you, it'll come up with such good fucking cold email first lines. You'll be like, bro, these Philippines VAs, like they're charging me so much of fucking money. Because if you hire like a VA for 8 hours, that's $24, and $24 gets you ChatGPT. So like the amount of like you can like personalize unlimited emails with ChatGPT. If you have like the pro plan, I think that's even more. So just use AI instead of paying these VAs, man. It's much better. I just prefer technology more than freaking humans. It's coming up with the nice report now. Boom, 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 boom. So I'll just pause it out, let it run, and once you have the report ready, then I'll resume the video. So after a pretty long wait, I think ChatGPT used all of its computing power, and it literally took like 5 minutes to go through everything. And hopefully, this is going to be perfect. I've not read it, so I'll just copy this entire thing. No, I don't want this. Shit. Ah. Let's just see. No, no, no. I don't want you to actually like include instructions for it. I've already given all the instructions to the AI agent. I just want you to summarize all the content of the website in 1600 words, not very difficult. Please just the content of it summarize. Do not use your brain, just summarize it. Just give me the summarized data. Do not use your brain, please. I've done the heavy lifting. Damn, I'll have to wait again now. Yo, so finally it's sorted. Let's just copy all this shit and paste it over here. Boom, 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 boom. Emojis are not allowed. Where the frick did we add an emoji? Chat GPT, my friend. You're troubling me. This is not cool. Are there more emojis as well? I don't see any emojis. Where the frick is the emoji? I'll just take the screenshot. Damn, this is actually taking the highest amount of time, which is something which I did not expect. Wow. Yeah, so finally it has been sorted. Finally, ChatGPT did the job, and now we just yeah, that's all. Boom, 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 boom. We click on next, and our voice AI agent is ready. Our text AI agent should be ready as well after this. So yeah, we select like the phone number which you wanna assign it to, and yep. After that, you can set like working hours as well. Like it won't answer calls after that time. I just don't like this because what's the point of fucking AI if you cannot even have it work 24/7? So yeah, you can like test it out as well. The only problem is that I'm in Thailand, so if I enter like my Indian number, I cannot actually receive calls in it. So yeah, when I'm actually like filming out the demo and everything, I'll record that too. But in the meantime, I'll just like yeah, I cannot actually do it. Oh yeah, there's no harm in trying. Maybe I could try to do it. Let's just see. Will it come through? I don't think so. I don't think so. It'll actually come. Let me pause the video and see. Yep, so it's not coming through because my number is like an Indian number and I'm in Thailand and I don't have international roaming. But I'm pretty sure like if I use my Thai number, then it will come. So I'll just enter that, and the thing is I don't remember what my Thai number is, the number I have over here. And then it'll show you like all the call history, the logs, the transcription, everything as well. After that, you have already given it like the goals of the agent. So I pasted it. I'll just go over it and see is there anything I missed by chance. I don't think so. Everything looks good. From the dashboard, you can see everything like are people positive, negative, how many total calls, how many duration, average duration of the call along with the summary and everything of the call which you receive. So now our voice agent is ready, and now we come over to this thing like a text AI agent. And yeah, if you remember, we created like the thing over here, the knowledge base. So I'll just click on that. I'll click on save and everything. It's already saved. And now from here we can select like the knowledge base from where we want to answer it. So I'll just do like Lux, MedSpa, whatever. And yeah, so you can see like all the content of the website, everything is there as well. And yeah, oh, I should probably change it. I click on save, and over here where it comes to board goals, you can tell it like what you exactly wanted to do. And yeah, I think it's pretty simple. I'll just select it to appointment booking, and you can just create like a simple calendar. I'll just go and create a calendar. We come over to calendars, and it will automatically book in calls. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask like the local business to connect the Google Calendar so that there is no problem of like double booking or something. And yeah, I'll just click on create calendar. I'll just be like personal booking. I'll just call it med spa appointments. I'll select like the team member, whatever. Oh shit, I've not added any team members. I'll have to add a person as well. Yeah, I don't have any team members. I'll just add someone to staff. Damn. Oh, I'm not the agency admin. I'm building it for the guy, right? But yeah, normally if you have your own Go high level and you're not doing it for someone else, you can like add other people as well. And yeah, it should be good. But yeah, I'll just create like a simple calendar. Creating a calendar over here is not difficult. It's exactly like LLD. And yeah, after that, you just select it to like book appointments directly in that calendar. And I'll come back. Like I'll configure everything. I'll ask him to actually create like a calendar as well. And yeah, after that, once we're here in board goals, so you can just select this and it will book like a calendar. So you can do this if you want to send like the booking link. You can be like, okay, after the like the call has been booked, then you don't reply to them for like 2 days. If you want to do that, you can do this like trigger workflow after booking. So like let's say you have a post appointment booking workflow where you want to send some things, whatever, then yeah, you can do that as well. And like yeah, these are like more complex stuff. I'll figure this out later. This is important, but not when we have to get this guy like the first customer. And yeah, in the dashboard, after you've done all of this, you can just come out and see all the different things, like how many appointments are booked, how many contacts, like all these different things. So yeah, you can just look at that. And when it comes to bot training, you can see over here what the bot actually is, like what he sounds like. So like let's say I reach out to him on Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, like WhatsApp, SMS, whatever. I'm like, hey, let's see how it goes. Am I speaking to a med spa? And the cool part is like it actually understands like the spelling mistakes and errors as well. Yeah, you're speaking to what treatments do you offer? No. Can I book in a slot for laser or just laser hair removal? How much does it cost? Rough pricing. If it's not available on the website, then I don't think so it will be able to answer. So what happens is when you connect the calendar, it will automatically suggest like available time zones. So I'm open this time on these different time zones. So it's 1,000 times better when you have connected your calendar. So I'll just ask him to like connect the calendar. And let's say you're not happy with the response, you can just click on this thing. Like, yeah, you don't want it to be like this. Then yeah, you can like literally just like do this and you can tell it what exactly you wanted the answer to be like. So that's extremely freaking helpful as well. Can you give me a rough idea of the price? I'm not sure like if the pricing is mentioned on the website. So if it's not mentioned, it cannot answer. Can't tell the exact price. What a rough figure, please. Not sure if it can do it. Yep. Yeah, this looks good to me. So now our conversation AI bot is ready. Our voice AI bot is ready. And if you actually want to test it out, you can like literally call this number if you want to. Yeah, just go ahead and call the number and yeah, you can test it out for yourself. Apart from that, have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. That's all I had. Like, yeah, it's not that difficult. You just enter like some plain fucking English and you have a voice AI agent and you have like a conversation AI agent, and we literally just pasted the link of a website and entered some instructions in plain English. And you can go ahead and sell it to businesses for like $100, $200, $300 a month. And if you have like what like let's say you're charging like $200 a month, you need 50 clients and you're making like $10,000 a month without doing anything extra. Like once this is done, it's pure passive income, pure fucking profit. And Go High Level like lets you create unlimited accounts for like $300. So yeah, it's genuinely great. And if you just want to build it for your own business, if you want just one account of Go High Level, I actually offer it for $49. So if you want it, you can get it in my sub account, like my version of Go High Level. So you can get it. It's exactly the same. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Bye bye, man. Take care. Hope this helped. Bye.